Welcome back, everyone. Looks like there is some fresh information about Tesla Giga Mexico. Tesla Giga Mexico apparently wants to break Giga Shanghai's 9-month record. What this means, to be more precise, Tom Zhu, who oversees Tesla's US assembly plants and sales operations in North America and Europe, who came from Giga Shanghai, told Governor of Nuevo León, where Giga Mexico will be built, that he wants to break Giga Shanghai's record of 9 months from start of construction to the first delivery. Honestly, with an efficiency and work ethic of Mexican labor, they'll have the thing done in like 3 days. That was kind of allegorically speaking, but they will have that done in a quite nice amount of time. Note that Tom wants to beat them at construction. He didn't mention their manufacturing goals, like to exceed Giga Shanghai's manufacturing goals at construction. He might want to do that, and he may succeed. More importantly to me is that it indicates how quickly he thinks they can start cranking out the car. For me, this suggests we'll see the reveal of the new vehicle by early 2024, possibly, and limited production around mid-2024. Last I heard, they want to start construction in 3 months or so. Another area where Tesla isn't constrained by the automotive status quo, it can whip up a factory and crank out product way faster than anyone else in the industry, I think. According to government officials, they'll break ground and unveil the car, like I said, in about 3 months and want to start deliveries in less than 9 months, just like Giga Shanghai. So how we can trust Mexican government officials, we'll know in a few months. Their efficiency, the supply chain, and Mexico has nice experience in supply chain, and so there are lots of cars companies there. But here are another thing that we're hearing. Dave Lee talked to Tesla executives, and they mentioned that New Mexico Gigafactory, the Gigafactory Mexico's next generation vehicles are meant to be built in Mexico, but I think next generation will also be manufactured in Texas and Berlin. But apparently they are primarily for the South American and Asian markets. But we'll see how things go. Tesla can build and launch these new under 30,000 next generation vehicles quickly in the next 1 to 1.5 years without cannibalizing Model 3 and Model Y sales in the United States. And hopefully they will also ramp up in Austin. During the Investor Day presentation, they specifically mentioned the Mexico factory will produce the next generation car platform. I have a feeling they'll keep the Model 3 and Model Y production at the factories they currently have built, as they seem to be able to keep up with demand for these models pretty well now. Since the next generation car from Tesla will be half the price, it'll sell in much higher quantities, I think. So I suspect they'll outfit the Mexico factory solely to efficiently build the next generation car, and other models then maybe that use the same platform. Model 3 and Model Y will require different production lines, which would slow down and add complexity. Important to remember that operating at maximal efficiency is key for next generation car platform if they want to make it as affordable as possible. Also keep in mind that Mexico has toughened its code substantially, and AFAR buildings, it's called AFAR buildings, built in the last 35 years have held really well. They also have what's often considered the first and maybe the best early warning system for earthquakes. Apart from upgrading its early warning system, Mexico has also invested massively in reinforcing and making its main infrastructure seismically sound. So we're expecting Gigafactory Mexico to be a really nice building. Non-code conforming buildings happen in less developed regions, but I don't think it's reasonable to assume Tesla will ignore seismic standards. They will essentially copy and paste with some improvements. Most interesting part for me is that Tom Zhu has been going to Nuevo León since last November, and it sounds like they're going to break ground very soon. Like I said, in about 3 months. Now, Tom Zhu was the guy leading Giga Shanghai operation. If you remember from Torque News YouTube channel, I reported here, and it was in the news for about several months ago, we heard Tom Zhu moving to the United States. What we understood is that Tesla CEO Elon Musk saw how efficient Tom Zhu was in ramping up the production of its electric vehicles in China and bringing him to United States, putting him in charge of the operations in the United States, and now apparently in Mexico for the Mexico operations. Well, let's call it North American operations. And he will probably, the aim at least, is for him to bring the same efficiency, how the guy did that in Giga Shanghai, to the United States, Fremont factory, Austin, Texas, Gigafactory, Texas, and now Gigafactory, Mexico. So in this way, he wants to build, break the record for of Giga Shanghai, which was 9-month record of constructing Gigafactory Shanghai. Now let's see if Tom Zhu and his team will be able to construct Gigafactory Mexico in 9 months and start delivering vehicles. So let's put it this way. Now what? This is today is March 5 or March 4. Today is March 4. And let's say in 3 months they start the groundbreaking. March 4, April 4, April, May, June. Let's say in early June, Tesla starts the breaks the ground for Gigafactory Mexico. By the way, if you are here first time, you know that this channel has always been providing news about Tesla Gigafactories as well as other Tesla vehicles. So please subscribe to this channel, because once they break ground, and I'm going to report as I reported from Giga Berlin, Giga Shanghai, as well as Gigafactory in Austin, Texas. So let's say that will be June. June they break ground in Gigafactory Texas, Mexico. After that, let's count 9 months: June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Yeah, that will be March. So in 3 months, they break the ground, and then in 9 months, 12 months from now. So that means, God willing, next March, we should see first next generation Tesla vehicle rolling off the assembly line from Gigafactory Mexico. I don't know if they will bring it to the United States, but United States is a strong Tesla market. They will probably do that, but I assume they will also send them to the South American markets, Mexican market. Obviously, it will probably be the first. Now, since these Tesla vehicles will be much cheaper to produce, there will be a wider demographic interested to buy this vehicle. That means they will need a lot of efficiency, and Tom Zhu can do that because he has been able to very efficiently organize the building of construction and managing Gigafactory Shanghai. Now that efficiency is coming here. Tesla is able to build the next generation under $25,000 Tesla vehicle. I don't know how it will be called, whether Model 2 or Model C. We'll see. If you guys have an idea on that, let me know in the comment section below. So let's say they build it, and since you drop the price of the car, you are able to appeal to thousands of people, because all of a sudden this vehicle is affordable to many people. Elon Musk spoke about affordability and the desire and the demand in Tesla's Investor Day. And that means there will be they're expected to be huge demand for this next generation vehicle. That means Tesla will probably put all of its efforts and all of its experience building the next generation vehicle at Gigafactory Mexico. We'll see how things go. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Give us thumbs up, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Check out our other videos and share in social media, and I'll see you soon in our next report. God bless you. Have a great evening.